We just got this Windshield Sunshade. It's super light and compact for our Subaru. So we're going to try it out and see what we think. All right, so let's just get her out of the package. Just like that. And this kind of opens up like this. It's got these two bands on it. So you got to undo those, just like that. And then it kind of rolls out, all the way out like this. Okay. All right, I found the suction cups. These are them. So I guess this is, you put this through that little hole and that smushes it up in there. So let's go ahead and let's try it again. So we pull these off, right? And we're just going to unwrap it. So that's the bottom because it doesn't have any holes in it. And right here is the top. So the way it works is you're going to take this, all right, so you can see, you're going to shove it through this hole here, just like that. All right, so now I've got a little grabber thing right there. Okay, let's get the other one. Right here, I'm going to take this, I'm going to push it through this hole. You follow me? All right, there we go. Now I've got my two suction cups. Okay, now now I got to get this up in that window. All right, you follow me? So you guys can watch. So first I'm going to set this in like this, just like that. Get it all the way in. You know that this is the top because it's got to go where your this has got to go where your mirror is, and this is going to come up here, and then I'm just going to get this suction thing on here and just suction it on just like that. Same thing on this side. Pull it up, yeah, just suction it on the window, and I'll show you from the other side now. Here's the thing, right? It's on there. That one's on there. And, you know, it's not the, it could be bigger because it's not really fitting all the way in there. Maybe I can slide this over. Let's see where it's at. Like that. That one's like that. I just kind of stuck it on there. I mean, I got to figure out how to fit it better. But, yeah, let's look at it from the outside. All right, so here's your suction, and there's your suction cup there. So yeah, that seems to be working. You know, I guess I could have done a little bit better job on it, but yeah, that's it right there. All right, to get it off, I guess all I do is just kind of pull on it like that, and it pops off, just like this, and it just pops off. And I guess we could just leave them in there like that. You know what I mean? Let's see if I can fold this thing up.
Suction. All right. Do I need the suction thing?
Yeah, because it won't work unless you have the suction. All right, so to fold it, I got to go like this. And do I go like that? It's kind of a...
You fold it like an accordion, back and forth.
Well, yeah, I know that, but...
Maybe in half first.
Okay, yeah, that's how I did it, like that. And then the suction things, they just leave in there.
Right.
So that's one's there. Fold
Yeah,
it
but
over.
you even really need the suction thing.
Yeah, you have to have it, otherwise it doesn't stay on the window.
It falls? Really?
Yeah.
Things don't hold it up?
No, it doesn't even get that high. It kind of goes right to about there. It won't go under, so it doesn't go under your visors.
You're kidding.
Nope. You'll have to try it and see what you think.
I have to look and see if that works. I'll see.
Because
I still have to clean the mirror.
She's very particular. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.